What if the next machine didn't come with a jet, a super yacht, or a penthouse? What if it came with 6 wheels, a McLaren badge, and a $4 million price tag? This is the 2027 McLaren Motorhome, and honestly, it looks less like something you drive and more like a palace built for the road. Wait till you see what happens inside. From the outside, this thing is insane. The body is finished in mirror black paint, with bronze accents tracing the shape like liquid metal. The front is low, sharp, and aggressive, with slim LED lighting and a futuristic grille. Then you notice the upper section, sculpted side panels, and those 6 enormous wheels. It has the presence of a rolling mansion, but somehow still feels unmistakably McLaren. And look at the details. The lower body sits close to the ground, giving this machine an almost supercar-like stance. Every reflection moves across the glossy panels. Every line feels intentional. Even standing still in a modern showroom, it looks ready to steal the entire scene. But the real surprise is waiting behind those dark windows. Step inside, and the mood changes completely. The exterior is dramatic. The interior is calm. Soft lighting runs through the ceiling, warm wood wraps the walls, and enormous windows fill the living space with natural light. Imagine sinking into the lounge after a long drive, surrounded by premium seating, polished surfaces, and the quiet comfort of a luxurious private apartment. Further inside, you get a luxury kitchen with sleek cabinetry, high-end appliances, and an integrated dining area. There's a private bedroom designed for comfort, a premium bathroom, and space that feels closer to a boutique hotel suite than a motorhome. But you won't believe this part. The cockpit is designed around the driver. Digital displays, a control layout, premium materials, and panoramic visibility make piloting this machine feel special. Advanced cameras and driver assistance technology help manage its huge size, while smart systems control lighting, climate, entertainment, and other functions throughout the cabin. Of course, this isn't pretending to be a McLaren supercar. But imagine cruising down the highway with a powerful, refined powertrain beneath you, the 6-wheel platform providing stability, and all that luxury riding silently behind the cockpit. This is performance reimagined for a completely different kind of adventure. And then there's the price, $4 million. Yes, this motorhome is built for the tiny group of buyers who want something nobody else has. It's bold, exclusive, and completely over the top. But that's exactly the point. The 2027 McLaren Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a destination on wheels. And trust me, the next one is even crazier. Like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury rides.